Unleash the power of real-time trend identification and razor-sharp stop-loss placement. Today, we're mastering the Supertrend Indicator on Tradingview. First, let's get the Supertrend Indicator onto your Tradingview chart. Navigate to the Indicators tab, usually found at the top of your chart type, Supertrend, into the search bar and select the most popular option. The Supertrend Indicator works by combining the average true range, or ATR, for volatility and a multiplier to define trend strength. You'll typically see default values for both, like an ATR length of 10 and a multiplier of 3. These are great starting points. Notice how the indicator draws lines directly on your price chart when the price is trending upwards. The Supertrend line appears below the price in a green color. Conversely, when the price is trending downwards, the line appears above the price in a red color. This color change is crucial. A green Supertrend line signifies a potential buy signal, suggesting the trend is shifting to the upside. It's your cue to look for buying opportunities. Conversely, a red Supertrend line indicates a potential sell signal, suggesting the trend is turning bearish. This is when you'd consider exiting long positions or looking for shorting opportunities. Beyond entry signals, the Supertrend is a powerful tool for setting your stop-loss levels in an uptrend. The green Supertrend line acts as dynamic support. Consider placing your stop-loss just below this line to protect your capital. Similarly, in a downtrend, the red Supertrend line functions as dynamic resistance. Your stop-loss for a short position could be set just above this red line. Experiment with different timeframes. The Supertrend can be effective on anything from intraday charts to daily and weekly views. Remember, backtesting and understanding the underlying market conditions are always key to successful trading. Mastering the Supertrend Indicator means a clearer path to more informed trading decisions. Like, subscribe, and happy charting.